Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview and review of this Fluval, I think is how it's pronounced, bug bites. These are color enhancing. This is a color enhancing formula, but these are flakes. So check out these flakes. Now, we've had fish that are betta fish, platies, guppies. We even got some wild minnows in this thing, and they will all eat this. They I don't know. They just like it. And but these, if you've never used flakes before, these will float, and then eventually they will start to sink. And so it just depends on what your preference is. But these little guys will definitely nail the stuff all day long. The flakes can be just dropped in like that. And these are listed as high protein, fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, naturally palatable. I guess that has to do with their guts. Cool thing is no artificial fillers or preservatives. And let's just see here. What does it say? From a guaranteed analysis, it's got all, way too much stuff for me to list. But the fish have lived quite the long time with this. Now, I wanted to share this along with two other items. One, the same brand, Fluval, these bug bites. Now, these are more of a granule, as you can see, granule. And again, these fish, they are a whole bunch in there. Some of them are a quarter of an inch because they're babies. Some of them are about an inch. And then we have some more adult that are probably upwards of about 3 inches. Again, these are platies. Some wild minnows that we caught and we wanted to see what was going to happen. And then there's a couple guppies all mixed in there. They all get along great, which is actually been kind of cool. But the reason I wanted to share with you is that all of them like these. Even the smallest of ones will sit there and just chomp on it all day until they can get it, because the small ones need to work on these a little bit. But what I really want to share is this right here. So this is a pet bank automated fish feeder. As you can see there, it's got a couple different settings. It's got 12, 24, 48 hours manual on and off. And that just is a convenient thing when it comes to automatically feeding your fish. And this thing rotates and then it drops the food. We just have it set up like this. You can also mount it on the side. But the reason I'm sharing all this is because these flakes, if you have an automatic fish feeder, if you're using these flakes, if you want to continue using these flakes, what you need to do is you need to take this and like grind them up between your fingers almost into like it's like a powder. Like just really grind it up. So when this thing rotates and it drops the food in, it doesn't kind of get jammed. Now, will that work? Yes. Is that ideal? Not really. It definitely works. We've used it and watched it and it definitely feeds, but if you're looking for something that will fit in that thing a little bit better, these granules are a little bit better. But I don't want to just, say that these can't work, but that's a little trick, a little hack, if you will, to get this automated fish feeder to work with these types of flakes. So again, these flakes are pretty awesome. Fish love it. I don't understand when it says color enhancing formula. Maybe that just is a overall good diet and brings out the best colors in your particular fish. It does say rich in omega-3 and 6 and is easily digestible. So a lot of good stuff there, but no artificial flavors, and that's a good thing. And then just sort of a best practice if you're using an automated fish feeder, at least the ones like this that rotate this way, you might want to go with something more on the little kind of granular side. Hopefully that helps. We'll talk to you soon.